YouTube. Now, because the family, y'all, showed so much love on the very first video that I did over these, I think I'm gonna, I know I'm bringing another video. And today we are taking a look at, if you do like the last video I dropped, which was the lace style video that I went and did over the 3 laces, I think you guys are going to like this one too, because we're doing another one of that. You've been showing a lot of momentum, a lot of attention, a lot of love. So the kid is going to keep on bringing a lot more videos for you guys. So let's begin it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefra. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you are all having a very, very blessed day. It is great to see you guys, seriously. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the intro, as you can see, I got my shirt on. We got that growth mindset, because this year, that is exactly our mindset. Growth. We're on that race to that 10K. And as you can see from the hat, I am rocking my Nike hat today. I am bringing you guys not a sneaker review, but yet again, another sneaker lace tutorial. Now, in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the brand Nike, right? Now, this is obviously a shoe that we did go ahead and do a review on already, which was the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. And the last video that I went ahead and did over the lace tutorial, I did 3 laces, the bunny, the goosey, and the not lace. You guys went absolutely dumb on that. So in this video, we won't be doing a review because we already did go ahead and did that, but we will be doing laces like you see right here and like you see right here. So before we go ahead and do that, I do want to give you guys your shout outs, because you guys have been going absolutely, I'm talking above and beyond for all of the content that's been dropping, and literally I just cannot say nothing else but just thank you so much. So let's go ahead and get the kudos going. Let's get straight away to it. Wait. And foremost, before we even dive into it, like I did go ahead and said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you show me over on the channel. Seriously, I work very, very hard to go ahead and get these videos out for you guys, and I've been trying this year the hardest I've ever worked before on my YouTube career, and we want to keep that momentum going for real. So like I said, I've been trying to do different contents for you guys, like always, and you guys have actually for the last couple of videos been showing lots of love. So if you haven't already, make sure you definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we are on the race to 10K. We're getting ready to creep up on 5K, which is very, very insane considering the fact that we just hit 4. All I'm asking for in this video is to just get 1 new subscriber. I'm not asking for 10, I'm not asking for 20, just 1 new subscriber. That subscriber makes a big difference to me, seriously. Also, as well, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below, let me know how you're feeling about the video. As long as you're engaging with the channel, I put it on everything I love. I will get back to you as fast as soon as I can. And if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, like you see all these wonderful people right here, then definitely go ahead and comment down below. So with that said, let's go ahead and do the 3 lace styles for the Nike Dunk Low in the City of Style. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna try to make this too long because I want to get straight into the tutorial, but we are gonna be going over 3. Now, the last video that I did go ahead and make, you guys have been going crazy on it, and you guys have been showing me that you guys actually do like it. And I've been doing it more so of the longer video. I'm not gonna short it, I'm not gonna fast forward it, because you've been showing me that you really dig it, and your comments have been showing me you really like it too. So the 3 laces that we are gonna go over yet again is going to be the first one, which is the bunny laced. The second one is going to be the loosey goosey lace, and then the last one is going to be the not lace. And I also as well will be going on and putting on feet a little bit, that way you can get a closer perspective rather than just looking at me nodding the shoe, and then actually so you can try it on. So let's get into it, family. Let's go. All right, familia, let's go ahead and begin this tutorial. So like I go ahead and I pretty much went ahead and stated, I'm not going to be fast forwarding the videos, just because for these ones, I like them to be very, like, I guess you can take your time with it, and you know, you don't have to worry about doing it wrong. You can follow along, you can go ahead and turn on like you're watching right now and just chill and learn how to do this. So all we're gonna go ahead and do is, like I said, we are starting with the bunny lace, And I always like to go ahead and take the laces and start from the very beginning. That way it's easy to go ahead and like follow along. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. We're always gonna start off with our tips right here. And I'm gonna always start off with my right one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and feed it through the eyelet, as you see right there. Feed it through the eyelet and kind of always make sure you just adjust your laces. Nothing wrong. Take the other one and adjust it. And just remember, just taking your time. Like, take your time. There's no rushing. As long as you take your time, you'll be fine. And also, I know there's so many ways to go ahead and do lace styles. Like, trust me, I know there's 1,000,001 ways. And if you do like these, then definitely go ahead and like the video. If you don't, it's all good. If you're looking for more advanced lacing, then you might want to go to a different channel, just because I just kind of show you just the basic, quick and easy ways. Nothing that's too crazy. I may later get into come up with different lace styles, but for now we're just gonna go simple with this. So as you can see right here, I'm literally doing nothing else but just lacing it through the lace holes right here, taking my time with it. You know, if my laces get kind of messed up, feel free to go ahead and adjust them whenever you want. Like I did go ahead and say though, if you haven't seen this review over this, go watch that, because the review is definitely fire. And I like these a lot. These are a very good SB Dunk. I think Nike is going dumb with the designs on there, and I hope they continue with that momentum for this year. So as we go ahead and we get to the very top of it now, we're gonna go ahead and put this into the very first eyelet up the top right here, as you can see right there, and you see right there. This is what I just usually do, and I'm gonna go straight away into it, fold it like so, not so much fold it, but you know, feed it through. And then as we feed it through, I'm just gonna go ahead, adjust it. And now this is the reason why I call it the bunny lace, because you take this, you make a simple, you tie it right, boom. You take this, boom, you take it, you make a bunny ear with it. You see this, guys? Make a bunny ear. All you're gonna do now is just bring it up, and then you're gonna bring it like you would a regular knot. Now you take it, as you can see, it's kind of hanging down, it's a little bit big. You just adjust it, just the ends like this, and then from there, adjust it, and boom, right there. It does not have to be perfect, guys, okay? I'm gonna be saying that a lot because it does not have to be. This is just my way, but you can go ahead and, you know, go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And after you adjust it, you will get hit with it looking like so. This is how it looks like with the bunny lace right here. And like I said, it's not too hard to do. It just takes taking your time, following along, and you will get it. And also feel free to adjust your laces at any given moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually do it on feet so you can see what it looks like. And let's do it right now. Let's go. All right, guys, we went ahead and we threw it on feet, as you can see right here, and we are rocking the bunny lace. And I like this one too, just because it's more of a simple yet calm type of lace, nothing crazy going on right here. And I like to go ahead and show you guys these different perspectives on feet. That way you can not just see what it's like me lacing them, but actually see the different style on the feet. If you like this one, definitely let me know down below, and we will move on to the second one, the loosey goosey. Let's go. Okay, family, so now we are moving on to the second lace, which is the loosey goosey. And this one's more for the ones that actually don't really want, you know, to tie their shoes. They're in a quick hurry. They want something just to look somewhat stylish, and let's just get out the door real quick. So all we're gonna go ahead and do is start from the beginning. Like I always tell you guys, always make sure you start with your laces, always taking them all out, and then you're gonna just go underhand and feed it through the eyelets. Ooh, do you hear that ASMR? The lace going through there? I should do a ASMR lace video too. So we're gonna take this one and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just feed right there. And like I said, guys, just take your time. Don't be rushing. No need to rush. Like, where are you gonna go on this point? So let's go ahead and take it. Let's put it again. We're just gonna feed it. We are gonna feed it. And this one, I kind of recommend when you do feed it, don't make it too tight, y'all. because the point of the loosey-goosey is to kind of go ahead, in my opinion, just to kind of, you know, have your laces kind of hang. And if you have it too tight, when you get all the way to the top of your eyelets, it's going to, I guess you can say, your laces are gonna look long. We're talking long, and you're gonna be like, what's going on? So let's go ahead and feed it through all the way, as you can see. Just feed it. And even if you do make your laces too long, the key to, I would say, getting your lace styling how you want it is truly just adjusting it. So now that we are at the very top, we're gonna go ahead and just put it to the first eyelet, and I may put it to the second one. So we're gonna go to this hole right here, and then we're gonna go to this hole right here, and you'll see right now. So let's go ahead and boom. Put it through, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and feed it through again. Okay, so now, if you want, I know some people who just wear it like this. We're not gonna do that though. We're not gonna do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and feed mine through the second lace hole, and like boom, like so. As you can see, boom, perfect. This one came out perfect first try. Let's go. Let's go, Nephrite. All right, so when you're done with it should look like this. This is exactly what it should look like. So check it out. As you can see, the laces are not too long right there. And then you went ahead and you adjusted that one right there. If yours is a little bit too long, like you see, if the length of it's like right here, just go back, undo it, and make sure as you're feeding it through, you don't go ahead and tie it too tight. But this is exactly how it should look like when you're done for the loosey-goosey. So let's go ahead and show you guys an on-feet perspective right now. Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, we are rocking the loosey-goosey. And this one, from, like I said, it's just for a more really quick lacing, you know, just a different style. This is one, if you don't want to go ahead and tie your shoes, or if you don't know how to tie your shoes, then this is a perfect one for you. Just a different style. And I kind of feel like this one goes perfect with the SB Dunk, just because of what's working with the fat laces. I feel like when we have the fat laces for the SB, it looks really, really good. Like I said, when it comes to adjusting it, if you want to get it so your laces aren't long and hitting the floor, all you do is just go back and adjust it, and you'll be perfectly okay. So moving on to the next and final one, this is the knot lace, and here we go. And okay guys, so we are at the last and the final lace, which is the knot lace. And none of these are hard. This one isn't hard. It's just more of a different rotation that we're going to be going, and I'll show you right now. So like I said, always start making sure your laces are to the very start of it, and unlike under, we're actually going to go over, and I'll show you right now. So I always start with my right lace. You can start with any lace that you want. We will be taking our time and going nice and slow. Remember, we don't have to rush. So let's go ahead, and you take it right here, and you just go ahead and you put it through like so, right? You put it through like so. And this one, you don't have to do it too tight. It's all really optional if you want to. I'm gonna do mine kind of tight just because when I get to the top, I like how mine kind of goes ahead and that knot is. So we're gonna do the same thing and just keep following along. Hey, let me just go ahead and say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It really is greatly appreciated. If you are liking today's video, please leave a like on it. I love bringing these reviews out for you guys. Excuse me, I said reviews. I'm so used to doing reviews. I meant to say tutorial. It's really, really fun, and it's obviously just a lot of different content. And this year I've been working really hard to try to go ahead and get more content out for you guys. And I've definitely found that for sure. So you guys really do mean a lot to me, and I want you to know it's very, very thankful. So as we go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and just feed it as we're doing. Feed. And then we're gonna just take it and go right here. Now this, when you get to the top, right, it's not hard. Just take your time, and this is what we're gonna do. So you just take it right, you take this, and actually, because it is a little bit long, you're gonna put it through the very first eyelet right here. You see that eyelet? You see that eyelet? That's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna take it, you're just gonna feed it through, and you're gonna go zoom right there. Make it somewhat tight. Adjust your laces because you want your laces to look good. And then we're gonna bring it around and the exact same thing. Boom, boom, boom. All right, just adjusting right here. And like I said, when it comes to lacing, adjusting is pretty much just the key. So we're gonna go ahead and take it, right? I'm gonna do this 2 times so we can see it. So I take my 2 ends right here, see them? I take my 2 fingers, I usually do my left, all depends on how you like it. I just bring it around like that, and I take it, and I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna create a small little hole right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and feed it through, like so. And as I'm doing that, I'm just going to pull down on it, like so. We'll do it again, right? We will do it again. And like I said, with this one, you can adjust it to your liking, but that's how you would just do it. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take it down, wrap it around, make that circle right there, bring it, and then just kind of go ahead and pull, and pull. And when you're done, that's how it should look, like that. Very, very nice. I know that this time the second was a little bit different than the first one, but it's exactly the same thing. All I did was just take my time and just pulled it down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a on feet perspective. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get it on feet. And here we go, right here we got the knot lace. And you know, I like this one a lot. I really, really do. It's always a tough competition for me and decision when it comes to which one I like more. It's usually a tie between the bunny and the knot, but I think with the SBs having that jumbo lace, it just makes it look so good. I'm going with the knot lace for this one. So definitely let me know down below how you feel about it, if you want to rock this one, and keep practicing. And also remember as well, you can use these lace styles on any sneaker. It does not have to be just the ones I'm showing right here. So let me know down below, guys. Here we go right there, guys. This was the 3 ways that I do go ahead and lace the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Styles. But even more than the sneaker itself, that's just the 3 laces that I've actually do from majority of all my shoes. So if you definitely like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. All I'm asking for is 1 new subscriber. I greatly appreciate that, like seriously. And you know, which one, tell me, do you like more the bunny, you like the loosey goosey, or do you like the knot lace? I'm gonna be real with you, honestly, I'm digging the knot lace a lot. So guys, I really appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Nephrite. I love you guys a whole lot. Remember, it's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. Keep practicing, take your time. There's no rush with this. Go back and replay the video 100 times if you have to. You will get it down. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.